In this section, we're going to see how to use the plugin, the SEO Yoast plugin with WordPress. Now, obviously, this only works with WordPress, but once you've installed it, underneath each page, you have this area here where you can set your title and description exactly as you want it. Now, here I am within WordPress. I've logged in, and if I just simply search for SEO Yoast, as you can see, this is a well-respected plugin. It has 1 million plus installations, and it's got a whacking 22,000 5-star reviews. At the time of filming, it was last updated 4 days ago, and it's compatible with the current version. If I go and look at more details here, as you can see, it's a fully featured plugin. There's actually a premium version as well, which you might want to investigate. But as I say, if you look at the reviews here, it's got 22,000 5-star reviews, and it's got comparatively very few 1, 2, 3 or 4-star reviews, so a well-respected plugin. Now, once you've installed the plugin, directly underneath each page you have a panel here from SEO Yoast, and if you click on where it says Edit Snippet, from here you can directly insert both a title and also a description. It'll also give you information on things like readability and such like. We will look at the plugin in more detail later, but certainly if you're using WordPress, it's the ideal way of setting your ideal title and your ideal description. And as I say, you can use it to have a different title and different description on every single page, and of course you make sure that your title and description matches the content of every single page. So it's a very easy to use plugin. It can do a whole host of other things, but at the moment we're just looking at SEO Yoast to produce really good effective titles and descriptions.